In this video, I'll show you how to add member accounts in DocuSign Rooms using a simple and practical approach that helps teams stay organized. After logging in, navigate to the Rooms or Team Management section where you'll find the option to invite members. From there, enter the email addresses of the users you want to add and send out invitations. Each member will need to accept the invite before gaining access, so it's important to ensure emails are correct. DocuSign Rooms is designed for collaboration, but permissions and roles should be assigned carefully to control who can view or edit documents. You can also manage access levels later if needed, which adds flexibility for growing teams. It's a good idea to regularly review active members to maintain security and avoid unnecessary access. Overall, it's a useful feature for streamlining teamwork, but proper setup is key to avoiding confusion. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you manage tools more effectively.